Yawning seems simple, but scientists still don't know the exact reason why we yawn. One theory is that yawning cools the brain. When it overheats from fatigue or overexertion, a yawn acts like a natural air conditioner. Another idea is that yawning is a signal of activation. Before an important action, the brain reboots to prepare for focus. We yawn when we're bored, but not because we're tired. It's because our attention drifts and the brain tries to bring it back. Also, yawning is social. We yawn when others yawn, due to mirror neurons. This is an empathy response. Even animals yawn together: wolves, chimpanzees, dogs. It helps strengthen group bonds.